I'm here with my friend Adam. Just met him on LinkedIn, and I'm going to ask Adam which financial decision, negative or positive, has impacted your life the most.
Well, I think getting married brought a whole bunch of financial considerations into sharp relief that I hadn't really been giving the proper amount of weight as a bachelor. I was in the military at the time. I had just sewn on staff sergeant. I promoted, and the first thing I did was I went to the dealership and I bought a car. I bought a Ford Explorer, and it had all the bells and whistles, heated, cooled seats, dual moonroof, you name it, it had everything. And then I got engaged, and I was like, wait a minute, I'm I have to be a responsible adult now, and I really haven't been. So I drove back to the dealership. I said, just pay what this thing is worth. Let's call it even, and I'll buy your cheapest thing on the lot right now. And so I traded it in, and I got a Kia Soul. The thing didn't even have armrests. And the thing that I realized was that I wasn't 6 months later, I wasn't like, man, I really miss that Ford Explorer. I realized that it didn't matter. And the amount of money that I was spending on that other car didn't matter, and it kind of helped me to realize that I was spending money on a lot of things that had monthly fees or subscription fees or payments on it that didn't matter. So yeah, spending money, the realization that I was spending money on a lot of things that I didn't need, that didn't fulfill me or make me happy, and then making the adjustments that would definitely be the most positive.